Okay, so I just saw this effect on Penn Teller Fool Us, and it didn't fool me or Penn Teller, but it's quite a nice effect nonetheless. So the magician started like this. I might do a tutorial on this effect, but the magician started by presenting a sort of little cabinet and making the person pick a card, okay? So the guy picked this card here, Jack of Diamonds. Well, it could have been any card, but actually he picked the Three of Hearts, but I picked Jack of Diamonds, as you can see right here. And he just placed the Jack of Diamonds right into the deck, okay? So he just placed it into the center of the deck, around about the center. Nothing strange. And he said, wouldn't it be crazy if your card was in there? Okay, so I'm not sure if you saw me, but maybe, just maybe, I managed to pull this off. Okay, so there's a card. That's not too amazing, but wouldn't it be more amazing if that card was Jack of Diamonds? And they can actually sign this card, okay? Now, obviously, those are a little advanced in Magic. This did not fool you at all, okay? And I'm pretty sure you saw every single handling, control, and all of that. But it's still a nice trick nonetheless to fool the less keen people out there in Magic, the ones who don't pay attention to small details. So, hope you enjoyed that little performance. See you guys.